Hey, you made it to the West Baco Stowe YouTube channel.
Hey, so out here in California, got my spacers with me, hanging out at my buddy's shop, chilling. They got some good toys in here too. So, it's, I don't know, these spacers are shit that were on it. So this ooh, I hear a 240 revving out there. Still a stock motor in it, but it's gonna get swapped, so it's a piece. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of this, what's going on here with these spacers, because this is a joke. I don't know what brand they are, but don't get them, whatever they are. But okay, we got the wheel off here, and yeah, we're gonna pull this shock support off here, and then I will show you guys what them spacers look like. Okay, so we got this thing off here. It is don't laugh at my freaking welds. I could not see anything. It was up underneath there, and I was just trying to make it last, but look at them cracks in that thing. Absolute crap piece of engineering. But yeah, let me show you these new ones over here. They are definitely a lot better. That should do the job right there. He's like, I'm camera shy. No, but see, look at this, dude. It's starting to come on. That'll come right out of there.
Just keep backing it so much off.
Oh, it's out already.
And
Okay.
since they're off, you can just...
Yeah, that'll pull right off. Well, got this bolts off of here now. Once again, don't laugh at my welds. But hey, slips off pretty easy. Okay, so got this side off here now too. If you're ever wanting to put a leveling spacer in, 2.5 inch, you gotta take this dude loose, steering rod, loosen that bolt up with I believe it's a 21, and then you gotta take this dude loose right here, underneath here. That's an 18, and knock this piece here so you can get this ball joint loose a little bit and help give you a little more room to get it in and out of there. And then you need to loosen this dude up, this guy, get a little more room in there. And then there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, but you get to them from the top side up here with a 18 as well, I believe. And then there's 2 on the bottom, these dudes here. And that holds on the bottom of the shock. So, if you're ever wondering, that's what you got to do to get the shock out to put a spacer in there. Okay. Yeah, this one. Let me get to focus. Okay, there we go. That one was hanging snapped up. That is just insane. I got a slightly better tack on that one. And a little better over there. But that is ridiculous. Basically just run these through into here, and then goes on this way. Right here. Yeah. That one's got to come out further. But them catch this bolt hole right here. So, yeah. Looks like she's coming together. Okay, so this is the spacer here. So, comes with these dudes right here. Screw those in. Have them catch the threads on there. And I already told you that in another part of the video, but here it is anyway. Sink them in there. Good to go. Alright, well, with them things on it, it should look something like this. Oh, this way. There. Yeah. Now, these are the stock bolts. As you can see, they have a flange and do not fit. So, I'm gonna go on a hardware run because, yeah, they fit that away just fine. So we'll just have to, I don't know, hopefully we can figure something out. Okay, so a bit of redneck ingenuity here. I took an 18 millimeter, stuck that thing in there, went over to the grinder, and just rounded it off perfectly. And now, that one don't, but the rest of them, oh, that one don't either. Okay, so I gotta clean those up a little bit, but the other one's on. See that? Oh, that dude just dropped right in. Okay. Yeah, you get the idea. Bolt it up to them dudes. Good to go. Okay. If this was like TV shows, then you probably would never see this. But this is what happens in the real world. We had problems getting the truck back together. So we did get it back together, but it was just for the time being because one of the bolts was not seated properly, it was loose. So pretty much had to be taken apart again. So I currently have it apart. I should have, videoed it, but you guys will kind of see how I did it in the other one. So here's where we are right now. And yeah, it is back apart again. Right here. So these bolts were kind of the issue up here. So yeah, pretty much what we got to do is pull this mother grabber back off of here, yank it out, retighten these bolts. There was one over here and one over here that were, this one had a nut on it that was tightened down some. This one was tightened down all the way. But that one over here it was loose, so had to be redone. But got it all separated apart, and I just got a ball joint separator on the way. I'll be here in a few minutes. Yeah, and I'm gonna get it apart and then drop this thing out of there. It's pretty loose already, as you can see, but go from there. Check that out. That's not my doing. That's the previous owner, I assume. Yeah, kind of trashed it. I guess I don't know what I need to do to maybe go to a body shop, I guess, and see. Probably have to get a whole new piece. I don't know. Anyway, okay, I got this thing back apart again, and then got the hiccups. Put the thread locker on it. Sink them dudes back in so they lock. Go put it back together, because it was loose as I'll get before. Pretty much, just sink them in. On a film. Do this with one hand. Not the easiest task. Okay, kind of got this all propped up. That's how it should look. Going back together. All right. Now it's done. Okay, last one. Right on. Now she can go back in. There she is, back in. Just got to put these bolts through. So, yeah. Okay, so this video has been filmed over multiple days, if you can't already tell that. But, yeah, so pretty much we got it all put back together and has taken care of all the problems. It is running great now. There's no squeaking. I mean, there is still a bit of squeaking, but I think it's in the A-arms. So we're gonna, get that figured out, and then we'll go from there. But for now, it's good to go. So till the next one.